Okay, so from this video we will try to solve some problems on functions regarding 1 onto bijective and invertible functions. So let us take the first problem. So this is our first problem, that let R plus be the set of all positive real numbers and f from R plus to closed 4 open infinity interval such that fx equal to x square plus 4 full stop. Show that inverse of f exists and find f inverse. Okay, so how to find the inverse? First of all, we have to show that the inverse of the function exists. That means the function should be a bijective function. So for that we have to first show that the function is 1 1 and then onto 1 1. So how we will do? We will take 2 points x1 x2 from R plus what is the domain, so that f of x1 equal to f of x2. That means x1 square plus 4 equal to x2 square plus 4. It's clear. Then 4 will cancel out and it will be x1 square equal to x2 square, and taking square root it will be x1 equal to plus minus x2. Now since both x1 x2 are from plus R plus, that means both are positive real numbers, so minus x2 doesn't exist in the domain. So clearly we can take x1 equal to x2, since the reason should be x1 x2 belonging to R plus. So this condition shows that f is 1 1. So the first part is done. Then the second part is what? We have to show that the function is onto. So onto. So for onto, what we have to do? We have to take some y from the codomain. So we'll write codomain f, or we can write directly, say let y belongs to 4 infinity such that y equal to fx. So if we can find this x, then it will be onto. So y means x square plus 4. That means x square will be y minus 4, and that means x will be root over of y minus 4. Now clearly, since there is a root, this inside part y minus 4 should be always greater or equals to 0. So if y minus 4 is greater or equal to 0, then always we will have y will be greater or equals to 4, and that means the range of f is what? It is 4 infinity. So that is the codomain, because that's how the function is defined here. So we can say here that the function f is onto as range equal to codomain. Therefore f is bijective and hence invertible. Then what? We have to find so we have shown that f inverse exists. Now we have to find f inverse. So for that we will take y equal to fx. Then what will happen? Then we can write x equal to f inverse y. Now what was x? It was root over of y minus 4. So f inverse y should be y minus 4. So from here we can write f inverse x is nothing but root over of x minus 4, and it is done.